Hey, welcome. Come on in. Let me show you the Northstar Homes dealership vision. As I've told you guys before, Northstar Homes is the brand and the product name. So in this new office space and in this new dealership concept that we're coming up with, we're gonna have Northstar Homes situated with Northstar Construction Company, which is our general contractor for the residential construction side of the business. And we're gonna have Northstar Realty Group, which is our fully serviced, licensed real estate brokerage, all housed out of here, out of our new office space in Bonita Springs, Florida. As I come through, I wanna show you the vision of what's gonna happen in here. So the dealership model, if you're familiar with Tesla dealerships, you have one space where you can come in, make your selections, select your lot, select your floor plan, select different architectural features and engineering features that are specific to your lot. And then from there, move right into title, move right into financing if you require financing, and then package everything up all within one ecosystem. So again, you will have real estate services for land acquisition. You'll have title and mortgage services to facilitate the purchase of your lot. And as soon as that's completed, we'll roll right into design. We'll roll into land studies. We'll figure out exactly what your home is going to look like, the type of foundation it needs, and any structural elements that it needs. And then the fun part where we can fully design your home using some of the finishes that we'll have displayed in here. Just to kind of lay this out, this is where we'll have our fully functional kitchen, and we'll have some examples of the type of finishes that we're working with, different countertops, different cabinetry, different hardware, different glassware, and different types of finishes such as your plumbing finishes, your electrical finishes, and your flooring as well, all throughout this beautiful state-of-the-art showroom. To further kind of paint the vision for you guys, we're gonna have some of the highest end furniture manufacturers and interior designers come in here to help decorate the space with some really cool furniture, which will also be part of your selection process. In this general area, we'll have a living room, an outdoor area for outdoor kitchen and entertainment, and behind you over here, we'll have a facility in which you can create and you can design all of your interior finishes. Again, cabinetry, flooring, colors, different paints, and anything that you potentially want to put in your house, including the type of windows and doors that you want in there as well. And behind the scenes, just by this door, we'll have our full staff for both Northstar Construction Company and Northstar Realty Group. So come on back and I'll show you the layout here. Our Northstar construction leaders will be sitting here in this office along with Kevin Tremmel, who is our licensed real estate broker. He'll be sitting on this side. This side will be Eric Lawson and Abraham Valentin. And then through here, we'll have our full functioning staff between pre-construction, permitting, design specialists, our construction managers, and our project managers, along with our site superintendents as well. And then we'll have all of our Northstar Realty Group real estate agents that will be operating out of this office as well. It's not all business. Sometimes we do have fun and games. So we do have a really old school, retro, amazing Pepsi machine that just got shipped in, along with some cool arcade games that we'll have here in the back too. So it's going to be a really fun area, conducive to creativity, conducive to growth, conducive to fun. Everybody needs to have a little fun. The inside of this area will also connect to a conference room, which will serve as an extension of the selection and design center as well. As you can see here, you have plenty of space to have private meetings for Northstar Realty Group agents, along with homeowners that are looking to make their selections. And right next door, we'll have our server room and some extra storage space just to really round out the entire space. Keep in mind that directly next door is our Northstar Technologies Group headquarters, in which we have all of our business units operating on the engineering and operational side, along with our leadership and executive team. Everything within one ecosystem, everything located right here in Bonita Springs, Florida. So there you have it, guys. The growth is incredible. It's exciting. Everybody's working really hard. The vision is coming to light and everything is starting to come together. We've finally established our business units between Northstar Construction Company, Northstar Realty Group, and the brand Northstar Homes directly next door, all under our Northstar roof. So remember, when you're thinking about building, when you're thinking about high strength, when you're thinking about composites, think about Northstar. Build better, build Northstar.